Hi students, this is Naprit, your guide and mentor on this channel, and I welcome you all on my channel Ielts at Home. Earlier, I prepared lots of videos based on listening, grammar, Ielts introductory, reading module, writing task 2. And now I'm going to focus on task 1, writing, academic task 1. In this video, we will discuss the two topics. Firstly, we will discuss the types of graphs, and in the second part, we will discuss the format and structure of task 1, how to write task 1 and how to start task 1. This video and my all videos are only for IELTS students who want to prepare at home, who are interested to watch IELTS videos, who want to know about IELTS. So if you are not interested, then you may quit this video right now, and if you are interested, then must watch full video to understand the whole concept thoroughly. If you are interested to watch, if you have any need to watch my previous video related to listening reading, then I have given the link of that in the description box below. You can click on that, and also I have given the link of my Facebook and Instagram account. You can follow me on that also to get latest updates. And if you have any queries and suggestion, then you can write in the comment section below. So let's start our today's video. So in academic task 1, the time limit is 20 minutes. Totally, you will get 1 hour or 60 minutes for writing module, in which you need to use 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. And word limit for task 1 is 150 to 180 words. You need to write more than 150 words. If you write less than 150, then it may affect your band score. So there are 7 types: bar graphs, line graph, pie chart, table chart, process, flow chart, and map. And now we are going to discuss all these graphs one by one with their image so that you can identify them easily and understand them. So now you can see on your screen 2 bar graph. On the left side you can see the vertical bar graph, and on the right side is horizontal bar graph, but there is no difference between them. There is no difference to explain these bar graphs. Both are similar, just it depends upon the data, and you need to find out the key features and interpret that data. So you just need to compare and contrast in bar graph. So now you can see on your screen line graph. There are 2 graphs, one is single line and another is multiple line. If it's a single line, then only you can see the single line on your screen or in your graph, which show the trends, and on the other side you can see there are 2 or more than 2 lines in the multiple line graph. So in line graph you just need to find out the trends, either it is increase, decrease, or there will be no change in that graph. Now you can see the third type, that is pie chart, which is always equal to 100%. I mean the sum of all the percentage on a single pie chart is always equal to 100%. So you can see on your screen single as well as double pie chart. It depends upon your exam. Sometime in exam student may encounter with one pie chart, or sometime with double, multiple, triple. So you must prepare for all these pie charts. It's just simple. You just need to compare. If there is only one pie chart, you just need to compare all the percentage of a single pie chart with each other, and if you have two, you need to compare the data of 2 pie charts with each other. So it represents just contribution and sharings of something. Now the fourth type is table chart or tabular representation. You can see the data is given in the rows and columns. It may comes in single or double, it depends upon your exam. So sometimes it comes with the combination of other charts, like with bar graph. You can see a table chart with bar graph, a table chart with line graph, or pie chart, or all these 4 types may come together with each other. These are called hybrid graphs. So this is the main fourth type, that is table chart. Now you can see the process chart on the left side and flow chart on the right side. You just need to explain them step by step. Don't skip any step. You just need to mention all the steps and stages in a right way, or in a right manner, or in the right position in which they are. given. So flowchart is also looks like same. It's just like if you are getting admission, it may be the procedure of getting admission in a college. So it's just like when you explain the procedure to your friend, so you just need to explain that in flowchart in that manner. So just read carefully, understand carefully, and then write these kind of charts. Last one is map, diagram, or picture chart, in which you may get 1, 2, or 3 maps in your exam. So you just need to mention the amendments and changes during that time period. You may get the one map of past and another will be related to present, or maybe both the graphs or map related to past. So it shows the changes or amendments during that period. So you just need to find out those changes and explain them. So there are two format for task 1. It's time to learn about format for writing task 1 academic. So the two format, there is a little difference. In the first format, you need to firstly write the introduction, then body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and then overview. And in the second format, you just need to put overview after introduction. So there is no difference. I mean, it doesn't affect your band score. It's totally depend upon your writing ability. So you can follow either task format 1 or format 2 for writing task 1. So there are some important things you must note down. Always leave one line after each paragraph and start from extreme left of your notebook or page. Don't leave any space in the left side or the right side of your page or notebook, and don't add any numerical data in overview. Write that numerical data in body paragraph. You just need to mention highest, lowest, or the key feature in the overview. Don't just copy all information from graph. Find out the main features and explain them. And also don't add any extra or any new information in the overview, or don't add your assumptions or your knowledge or your predictions in your graph. So let's discuss in detail the format. Firstly, write the introduction. Don't mention introduction as a heading. Don't write heading of introduction, body paragraph 1, 2, or overview. It just I have just written this to tell you about the particular paragraph, so don't copy that. And for writing the introduction, you just need to write firstly the name of the graph or the chart, like the line graph, and then you need to use a word which I put in the red color. Illustrates, depicts, reveals, enumerates, elucidates, describe. You can choose any one from that. If your graph is 1, you must write S after these words. Illustrate, illustrates. If your graphs are in plural form, I mean there are 2 or more graphs, then you must remove that S from that verb, like illustrate. If there are 2 pie charts, then you must write the pie charts illustrate, so remove the S. And then you need to write information about or data about. After that, you need to rephrase the question statement, or you need to here mention the data which is given in the question. And then at the end, you need to mention the time period. You can use from year dash to dash year. So in the dash, you need to put the year which is given, or if there is only 1 year, then you can write during dash year. And for BP1, you can use any phrases that I have given. You can start with in detail, comma, or you can use it could be noticed that, or you can use it is evident from dash graph, like here you need to put the name of the graph, that, and then it can be clearly seen that. You can use any phrase from that. These phrases are just to start your body paragraph, so it depends upon you. Don't just copy all the phrases, so understand them carefully. Then you need to write your body paragraph 2. For body paragraph 2, you can use any connector or linker. Furthermore, in addition, or another worth noticeable feature is, or if you are presenting the opposite feature, then you can use in contrast. However, use any of them to start your BP2. according to your information. And in the overview, always use overall. Don't write in conclusion, to conclude, or any other thing. It's task 1, and here you just need to use overall. And in overall or overview, you just need to give overall feature. So you can use the line, it is obvious that, or it is observed that. It depends upon you. You need to mention your overall feature in the overview and highest or lowest. Now you can see different connectors and linkers for task 1 on your screen. In the green box, I have written some connectors and linkers, like firstly, secondly, thirdly. You can start these to represent your next point or next line. And you can also use for starting, like first of all, or in the initial step, then nextly, next to this, and then final step in the penultimate stage. Penultimate stage is the second last stage. So avoid to use them in the table chart and any other chart, especially these are just to write the process and flow chart. And you can use another connector for other charts, like further, furthermore, after that, in addition, additionally, surprisingly, interestingly, and many more. You can search over Google. So another connectors are the comparison connectors. If you want to do comparison, then you can use while, whereas, in contrast, however, nevertheless, whilst. So these are all about the format and types of task 1 and linkers of task 1. I would like to thank you all for watching my video, and don't forget to like this video and also share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe, and also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The link of that I have given in the description box below. So thank you.